Looking for the perfect welding machine to tackle your next big project? Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best welding machines that offer power, versatility, and serious value for your money. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Hitbox HBM1200 welding machine. The Hitbox HBM1200 welding machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This 3-in-1 MIG welder offers MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding functions, providing increased work efficiency up to 40% higher than traditional arc machines. The machine is ready for a variety of welding tasks, eliminating the need for punching or grinding, and it delivers high-quality results across different welding applications. With its user-friendly interface, the Hitbox HBM1200 welding machine offers adjustable power settings and wire feed speeds, allowing you to work with metal plates ranging from 0.8 to 4.0 in thickness. The adjustable current range of 2120A ensures optimal performance for different welding tasks, making it suitable for a variety of materials and projects. The HBM1200 is built with durability and safety in mind. It features a gasless continuous wire welding system, providing efficiency at 120A for 100% duty cycle and 93A at 60% duty cycle. The welder includes a built-in cool air radiator for efficient heat dissipation, as well as overheat protection and a VRD function for added safety during operation. It is classified with an insulation class of F and a protection class of I21, ensuring reliable performance under various working conditions. The machine comes equipped with a 0.6/0.8 threaded drive roller and is compatible with wire diameters of 0.8, 0.9, or 1.0, supporting up to 1 kg of wire. For MMA welding, it works seamlessly with 2.5 rods, including 6013 and 7018 types, making it a great option for welding carbon steel and stainless steel. Overall, the Hitbox HBM1200 welding machine is a robust, high-performance tool designed to handle a wide range of welding tasks with ease, efficiency, and safety. Coming in at number 4, the Hizone MIG-150F welding machine. The Hizone MIG-150F welding machine is designed to simplify the welding process while ensuring high-quality results. With intelligent adjustment features, this semi-automatic welding machine combines a voltage knob with automatic current and voltage adjustments, allowing both novice and seasoned welders to easily find optimal welding settings. This user-friendly design ensures stable welding quality, even when handling materials of varying thicknesses and types. Compact and lightweight, the MIG-150F is built for portability. Whether you're on a construction site, in a workshop, or working outdoors, this welding machine's small size and ease of transport make it a versatile choice for any environment. It's designed for welders who need a machine that can easily move with them, enabling welding work to be performed efficiently and conveniently at any location. Equipped with a rated current of 150A, the Hizone MIG-150F offers stable and strong power output, ensuring smooth welding and solid, clean welds. Its strong performance is complemented by a precise wire mode selection and adjustable wire feeding speed, giving welders greater control over the process and allowing for greater versatility when working with different metals such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum alloy. This welding machine is ideal for a wide range of applications, including automotive maintenance, machinery manufacturing, and construction. It serves as a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, providing the flexibility to handle a variety of metalworking tasks. Designed for comfort, the Hizone MIG-150F features a thoughtfully laid-out operating interface that ensures easy parameter adjustments without causing fatigue during extended use. This practical design allows welders to focus on the task at hand, enhancing the overall experience. At number 3, we have the Vevor welding machine. The Vevor 130 amps 3-in-1 MIG welder is a versatile, high-performance machine designed to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned professionals. Combining lift TIG, gas flux core MIG, and MMA welding capabilities, This machine is equipped to handle a wide variety of welding tasks with ease. Its powerful 130A output allows users to weld materials up to 8 mm thick, making it suitable for a range of applications, from simple repairs to more complex fabrication projects. Designed for efficiency, the Vevor welder supports welding on various materials, including mild steel, stainless steel, cast iron, sheet metal, square tubing, and metal cages. This broad compatibility makes it an ideal tool for diverse welding requirements, whether you're working in automotive, construction, or home DIY projects. At the core of this welding machine is an advanced IGBT inverter, which ensures stable and reliable performance. The inverter technology helps achieve precise control over the welding process, ensuring high-quality results every time. Multiple built-in protection systems are included, adding an extra layer of safety to your work environment and ensuring peace of mind during operation. The Vevor welder also features a digital display screen, allowing for easy and intuitive control of welding parameters. The clear display makes adjustments simple and precise, helping users optimize settings quickly for improved efficiency and a smoother overall experience. This thoughtful design allows for faster setup, boosting productivity and making the welding process more seamless. With its combination of power, safety features, and ease of use, the Vevor 130 amps 3-in-1 MIG welder is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, multifunctional welding solution for a variety of tasks. Next up at number 2 is the Andeli MIG-250 welding machine. The Andeli MIG-250 welding machine is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for various welding applications. It combines 3 functions in one: gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from construction sites to shipyards. Its portability and ease of operation ensure that professionals can take it to any location without hassle. Equipped with IGBT inverter technology, the Andeli MIG-250 delivers a strong 120 amp output current. This breakthrough technology enhances both the machine's efficiency and reliability, providing a significant boost in duty cycle. The multiple IGBT inverters ensure optimal performance, making it a powerful tool for any welding job. The machine's synergic design makes it an excellent choice for beginners. The voltage and wire feed speed are automatically matched, and the current adjusts based on the thickness of the material being welded. This automatic adjustment simplifies the process, helping new welders achieve precise and consistent results. Additionally, the Andeli MIG-250 features a split torch design, which includes a 3-meter MIG welding torch. The split torch allows for easier repairs and replacements, while also providing smoother wire feeding for better welding performance. Ideal for both seasoned professionals and novices, the Andeli MIG-250 welding machine offers a reliable solution for a variety of welding projects. Whether you're working in a workshop or on site, this machine brings efficiency and ease to every weld. Finally, at number 1, we have the AWT MIG-200 welding machine. The AWT MIG-200 welding machine is a versatile 8-in-1 multi-process welder designed to meet a wide range of welding needs. This machine is equipped with gasless flux core, gas MIG, gas MAG, stick/MMA, lift TIG, spot welding, aluminum MIG welding, and spool gun capabilities, making it suitable for both professional and DIY projects. The MIG-200 offers 2 control modes: MIG Synergic Control and MIG Manual Control. In Synergic Control mode, the machine automatically adjusts the wire feed speed and voltage based on the wire diameter, material, and gas, ensuring optimal settings for various tasks. In Manual Control mode, users have the flexibility to adjust the current to suit their specific welding needs, providing ease of use for both beginners and experienced welders. An easy-to-use interface with a large LCD digital display allows welders to clearly see settings without needing to remove their helmet. This intuitive interface helps streamline the welding process, especially in demanding environments. The AWT MIG-200 is equipped with diamond core technology, which ensures smooth, spatter-free starts. Its run-in feature automatically slows the wire feed speed before the arc initiates, improving arc starts and allowing for adjustable speeds based on the welding demand. The machine's fan-on-demand cooling system operates only when necessary, reducing noise, energy consumption, and contamination. Additional features such as inductance, post-flow, and preset speeds before arc initiation help further enhance welding efficiency and results. The AWT MIG-200 supports dual voltage, offering compatibility with both household and industrial power supplies, making it adaptable to a variety of environments.